Now, the federal government shutdown may soon start to impact filing your taxes and getting your refund. But whether the IRS is open for business or not, you are still ultimately responsible for filing your taxes. There's no getting out of that. Channel 3 New London Bureau Chief Kevin Hogan is live with the mobile newsroom in New London now with where we go from here. Kevin?
Well, Denise, where we go from here, you're going to get your W-2s and other forms, but not all the forms. And like many, if you're starting to put together your 2018 tax filings and all the paperwork, do not call the IRS for guidance.
Just because the government is shut down doesn't mean that there's a moratorium on what you have to do.
A certified public accountant now based in Old Lyme, Peter Kullis has been doing individual and corporate taxes in Connecticut for more than 40 years. No matter how long this shutdown lasts, he tells me you have to meet your tax deadlines.
They still have to send those forms in. It doesn't mean the checks are going to get processed, but you're required, the law says you're required to send those in by January 15th, and if you don't, you may be penalized.
Peter says you still have to make your estimated tax payments. They're due in January 15th, and then send in the forms. If you need help from the IRS, this is what you get on the phone.
Live telephone assistance is not available at this time. Normal operations will resume as soon as possible.
Peter, your clients call in and they say, well, the government shut down. I can delay my filing.
Assume the government hasn't been shut down. Do everything the way you're supposed to do it. Send out whatever payments you need to send out by the required dates.
Now, we reached out to the Connecticut Department of Revenue Income, and they say that they continue to gear up for the 2019 filing season, your 2018 taxes, and they advise taxpayers to plan now as they would normally and get it in on time. Now, we just heard within the past half hour or so, for a White House administration, a spokesperson says that they will be processing your tax filing refunds. They just have to clean up the language on that. But the White House says tonight that they will be doing that. You'll be getting your refunds. Live the mobile newsroom, Kevin Hogan, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.